Hi guys, it's Miss J. Terrio here. Today we're going to be talking about the quarter. So already you've learned about the penny, the nickel, and the dime, and today we're going to be learning about the quarter. All right, so here is the quarter here. It is actually copper on the inside, and then on the outside it's nickel and copper combined. You can see that here is the thickness or the diameter of it. And it's actually a fairly large coin compared to some of the ones that we have been learning about, isn't it? It's the largest one that we've been learning about. So on the front, you can see that it is George Washington's face. It's his portrait. You can see the year the coin was made. This one was made in 1993. And also the United States motto is on the coin. It says, "In God we trust." On the reverse side, up until 1999, you would always find this image on the back, which is the bald eagle with its wings spread, standing on a shaft of arrows and 2 olive sprays. So there's Latin on the back of this coin, and it says, "Out of many, one." So after 1999, they started producing different types of quarters, and they actually represent each of the 50 states. So here I have a couple. I have Utah. This coin was made in 2007. I have South Dakota. This coin was made in 2006. And I have good old Virginia, and it's a picture of Jamestown. And this was produced in the year 2000. So a lot of people choose to collect coins and quarters, and there's actually books that have a space for each quarter for the 50 states. So now actually happening in 2021, the quarters, there's going to be 5 different backs produced each year, and they will represent national parks or national monuments from each of the states. So we get to look forward to that next year. So these are the different ways that you can write this amount. So here we have 25 cents with the cent symbol. Here we have the decimal point in 25. Here it's written out in cursive. And then here is the quarter. So the quarter is called the quarter because it is 1/4. When we were learning about fractions, we talked about fourths. So here we have 25. If I have 2 quarters, I have 50. 25 plus 25 is 50. If I have 3 quarters, I have 25, 50, 75 cents. And if I have 4 quarters, now I have equaled 1 whole dollar. So we have 4 quarters equaling $1. All right, over here I wanted to show you how this looks in pennies. This is the same amount, and I've done it by 2s. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 25. So that is the same thing as this one coin. Then over here, I have it in nickels. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. So that's the same as this. And then up here, I can make it with 2 dimes. So 10, 20, 25. And that is the same as this. All right, my friends, there's going to be some worksheets coming your way, and we will be talking more about the quarter and all the money that you've learned this past week. And then next week, we're going to be talking about paper money or notes. And you can see who is represented on this $1 bill. All right, my friends, I hope you do well with the worksheets. If you have any questions, you can ask us, and we'll see you next week.